What's the meaning of boomerang? Boomerang. Boomerang.
Boomerang. Boomerang. A boomerang is a throwing tool that was originally used for hunting in indigenous Australian cultures. Today, it is also used as a recreational toy and a competitive sport. When thrown correctly, a boomerang will return to the thrower. This is due to its unique shape and the way it spins through the air. The result of throwing a boomerang is the satisfaction of seeing it come back to you, as well as the physical exercise and mental focus required to achieve an accurate throw. It can also be a fun activity to do with friends and family outdoors.